Hi, this is Marlene, and I am here to hopefully demonstrate the demo quiz. I have a short quiz here that I put into the sandbox, and I'm going to just click begin. And this is here's a description, here's my demo quiz, and I have the points over here. And question 1 is, this course is worth 3 credits. This is a syllabus quiz, and the answer to that is true. And what is the approximate instruction and preparation time per week that you'll need for this graduate level 3 credit course? And the answer to that is, this course will take about 111 hours across the semester. And this information can be found in the syllabus under credit hours. And I'm going to put that in. This next question is a multiple choice. Which of the following does not apply to the course policy? And I'm going to click on the assignment rework is always allowed, and that's not true. Depends upon the teacher and the assignment and the benefit of completing the work again. And which of the following do students receive points for in all of the course? And these are the correct answers. There's no small group project for this particular course that I have in mind. And I'm just going to save and submit. And that should be it. I'm hoping I did this right. I'm sure you'll let me know. Thanks.